Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your GMC Terrain cabin air filter. Start by gathering your tools, including a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your GMC Terrain is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. We will begin by accessing the glove box, which is located on the passenger side of your vehicle. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and efficient filter replacement process. First, open your glove box and remove all items to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, find the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully detach it. Then, gently push inward on both the left and right sides of the glove box. This action will release the two stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further. With the glove box fully open, you will see the cabin air filter housing cover. It's usually a rectangular panel. Unclip the two retaining clips, one on each side, and carefully pull out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. It typically points downwards. This ensures you install the new filter correctly for optimal performance. Now, insert your new cabin air filter, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually downwards. Snap the filter housing cover back into place, securing both retaining clips. Finally, push the glove box stops back into their original position and reattach the dampener arm. Close the glove box, and you are all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.